Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Expo authentication state in mobile apps step by step clearly. To restore Expo authentication state in mobile apps, start by setting up your project with the necessary dependencies. Install the Expo Secure Store package by running the command in your terminal. Next, ensure you have the authentication context set up in your application to manage user state. In your context provider, create a method called restoreAuthState. This method should use secureStore.getItemAsync to retrieve the authentication token securely. Check if the token exists. If it does, update your authentication state accordingly. If there is no token, set the user state to null or the default state. Implement a useEffect hook inside your context provider to call restoreAuthState when the app starts. This ensures that your app can retrieve and set the authentication state upon launch. In your main component, wrap your application in the authentication context provider. To reflect the restored authentication state, use a condition to render either the authenticated or unauthenticated screens. For authenticated users, navigate to the main application screen. For unauthenticated users, redirect them to the login screen. Finally, test the application to confirm that the authentication state restores correctly upon launch. Make sure to handle any errors that may occur during the token retrieval process gracefully. This completes the process of restoring the Expo authentication state in your mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.